Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I have some nail mail. This is friend nail mail. As of right now I'm not going to tell you who sent it to me just in case she doesn't want me to disclose her name. But if she tells me that it's okay, then I will put like a little comment bar in the video so that you know who sent this to me. And then I'll leave a link for her down in my description box so you can go check out her channel. So she sent me these nail tips. She sent me quite a few different like sizes and brands and whatever, but I just wanted to go through real quick and show you. I'm going to try to make sure that this isn't just a crazy long video. So this is a size 7, probably like a pointer finger for me. And look how pretty. Like that's a long nail for me, which is so much fun. So there's a set of those, and I would call those coffin tips, because like I know everything about shapes of nails. And then these are almonds. I'm getting into the almond nails, y'all. I don't know what the deal is, what has happened with me. So there's a nice, and that's pretty long for me too. Now I've grown my natural nails that long before, but it does get a little dangerous. It's a nice fit too. They seem pretty nice. So we've got the almonds, and we'll get those out of the way. And then these are in a package with the name on it. So it's TSZS nail tips from Fashion Nail Tips, excuse me. Best choice for nail art and salon, and individual home use. My tongue's quit working right. So these are strong, thick, and flexible. So let's pull out one of these. Oh, these are super long. I remember her telling me about these. I think these are going to be fun. Okay, so this is an 8. So this is a little one. So that would be like a pinky for me. Look how long. Ooh. I'm going to have to play with that. I'm going to have to play with that soon. Those are long. And I guess they would call that a stiletto. A stiletto. Or ballerina. I don't know. You guys know. Like I said, I am not... Get that crinkly away from the camera. I am not an expert by any stretch of the imagination. Then she sent me some red iguana pre-roughened almond tips, and these are the full covers. And I haven't tried the red iguana ones yet, so I was pretty stoked to get those in. And so these are like almond shaped as well. Let's see if you can see that. And these would be pretty long for me, but not undoable. These I could totally do that. So that would be like the thumb. Let's see about that. Yes. So very nice. And this is what started it. She said she was sending me this, and this is the Metha Me Colorist Solid Cream Gel Polish Set. And the reason she sent this was because she didn't like that it didn't have like a cover over the gels. I mean, once you open it out of the box, it's like there, and it's just not sanitary or safe, especially when you have a dog or a cat or mini cats or whatever living in your house. It's just that stuff gets on everything. So she made a little cover for it. I mean, it has this little plastic, but it didn't do like this. She made a little thing to make it more doable. But look at all of these adorable colors. I'm going to slide it up so you can see. I mean, it's like every color you could need or want. It's just so cool. And it's got the brush. Yeah, got the little brush there. And I guess this is another brush maybe. We're going to open it and find out. Yep, another brush. So you've got 2 brushes that fit in here. And then this is got other stuff in it too. Let's see. brush cleaning essential. Get it out of here. Ingredients: monomer, UV monomer, acrylate, copolymer. Anyway, it says use with brush only. Avoid contact with skin. Avoid contact with eyes and mouth. Keep away from heat and flame. Keep out of the reach of children. Not suitable for pregnancy and sensitive skin. If any redness or allergies reactions occur, stop using the product. Duh. So anyway, but isn't that cute? Cute little gel pots. And I guess they would come out of here. It looks like it's trying to come, but I'm not gonna mess with. I'm not gonna take it out. I'm gonna leave it in there, and I'm gonna leave this cool little cover on it so that we can keep the dog fur out of it. So I want to thank my friends so much. I already have, but you know, you just can't thank people enough when they're kind to you and, you know, hook you up with stuffs. So that is my friend nail mail for the day, the month, the week, the year, whatever. And that is all I have for today. I do hope you enjoyed this, and I will be playing with this and all of those nail tips very, very soon. So stay tuned for that. That is it for me today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon. Bye.